Thank you for staying with us. Let's now do the business. Labor and Social Protection CS Chelugui says over 3.2 million households in the country are in urgent need of social services across the country as the COVID-19 pandemic puts a strain on Kenya's social protection systems. Further, Chelugui says 1.5 million people in Nairobi are facing hunger. Chelugui says increased unemployment and loss of income sources is pushing more Kenyans into the red and thus making resources scarce. Unemployment rate in Kenya shot from 5.2% to 10.4% between March and September 2020, rendering millions jobless and increasing the need for social protection. Labor and Social Protection CS Chelugui says by the end of July, 230,000 redundancies in the formal sector had been recorded, with millions more affected who were undocumented from the informal sector.
In the informal sector, we have over 15 million people, and we don't have a register of the same. All of them have been affected. Aviation sector, floriculture, horticulture, the tourism sector have all been mostly affected. And these are the new vulnerables that we are dealing with in our ministry.
The government, NGOs and international bodies are calling for an integrated approach towards response to shocks that affect humanity in the scale of the pandemic.
We have to enhance our response to social protection to support these poor people and minimize the pain and the impact of this pandemic.
COVID has reminded us that we need to be well prepared for crisis situations. Although we may not have necessarily expected a pandemic on the scale which we've witnessed, I think it does remind us that we need to invest and support the creation of shock-responsive social protection systems.
Other than limited funding, another major challenge facing delivery of social services in Kenya is lack of skilled manpower. The government believes children ought to be kept in school to ensure they have a better chance at reaching tertiary level education and eventually use skills acquired in helping the community around them.
Keeping children in school ensures eventually they transit to tertiary institutions where they can gain skills and hence contribute to skilled workforce for the fulfillment of the Big Four.
The Social Protection Conference revealed that 1.5 million Nairobians are facing hunger, with over 3.2 million households in urgent need of social services across the country. Betty Kiptum, Channel 1 Business.